Welcome back to this channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. Right, today I want to teach you how to end a song, a very nice chord that sounds like this. Don't mind the first sound. It goes like this. Yeah. All right. So I want you to comment in the comment section. It's been a while I did this. Comment where you are watching from, the country. I'm watching from Vanetta, Japan, wherever you're watching from, just let me know. Okay, so one more time, we are learning this how to end song. Alright, so if you like this voice, let me also know in the comment section. If you don't like it, just say it's not bad. Okay, so let's see what I'm playing here. So I'll go with grand piano. Okay, so I'm going to just teach you this once and for all so that you get it and start playing it and share it with others. But before we go, don't forget to click the subscribe button. God bless you in Jesus' name. I need you to subscribe. This year, we must reach 100K subscribers. So, all right. Alright, so but we'll be learning in the key of C. So it goes like this. So professors in the house, you can give us the name of this chord. On my left I have A flat, on my A flat and G flat. That's A flat 7, right? On my right I have C diminished with a major 7. C diminished major 7. Yeah, so I have diminished, I have a major 7 note. So one flattened minor third, flatted fifth, then the major 7. So it goes like this. So you do pre-ba. So your pinky must be working. You know, it's possible for it now. Sometimes it's not. It doesn't work if you don't put it to work. Yeah. So you do. So pre-da. So it takes you to 5. So you can be coming from anywhere. Once you just want to end your song, just put it inside. So you do it, then you come to your 5. So 5 and 3 on left. On right we have a 1, 3, 5. All right. So then to 6, 4. To make it sound, you can do the sus4 also. Then you come to 5 again. You resolve. You know that. Then so diminish. Then but that's too much. So I'm sure you can just see this from the camera. So one more time. Right, so you can always end your song like that. All right, so don't forget to click the subscribe button. Invite your friends to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget, we have over 500 contents now. Video count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 500. Over 500 piano tutorial videos on this channel. So you have so many reasons to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to subscribe. What's it called now? Support us this year by joining the channel membership also. I know you can do it, so just do that to support us so that we can do more quality stuffs in the studio and stuff like that. Those things are expensive and we need money to do them. So we need support our sponsors.